Hello students, welcome in computer science class. Now in this video we will study the table tags. How to create the table using different tags. See one by one. In table tag, main tag is table tag. In angle bracket write only table. It is called as table tag. What is the use of this table tag? This table tag can be created using the tables. We combine with rows and columns. And starting tag is table and ending tag is slash table. Okay. The row is to be defined first and then cells or columns are inserted into the row from left to right. This is important. Table will be created from left to right. Means table tag is used for to create the only table but without border. Later we will see the how to create the table with border one by one. Now next tag is tr tag. T means table, R means row. Table means, what is the definition of table? Table means to combine the rows and columns. But in HTML chapter only give the tag to create the table row. Don't give the tag for to create the columns. If table row means tr tag is used, at that time automatically column also be created. Now see how it is. Tr table row tag. Table row, the start tag is tr and end tag is slash tr. See the example. See in this example, table border is equal to double quotes 2. See, table means to create the table. Border is an attribute of table, means to create the border around the table, is equal to 2. 2 means thickness of border, that is it will be displayed in pixel. Now next line tr. Tr means table row, means it is a starting tag, means first row will be created. Then next td. Td means table data. What is the use of table data? To display the actual contents in the cell. Now td, then Sunday, end of td. Next line td Monday, end of slash td, and first row will be completed, that is end of slash tr. Again one more row is created, then again starting tag is tr, then in this row again two contents are displayed. Then first content is table data td Tuesday, then end of slash td. Next one td Wednesday, end of slash td, and then end of second row. How many rows is created in this table? 2 rows. Then end of slash table. It is very important. When table is completed, at that time, at last, always remember table tag will be completed, that is end of slash table. Now what is the output? See, tr means table row and these are the actual contents in data. Now what is the output? See the output like this. How many rows? 2 rows. Row 1 and row 2. First row will be display data Sunday, Monday, and second row Tuesday and Wednesday. See here, automatically 2 columns will be created. If 2 rows are created, then 2 rows, 2 content, then automatically 2 columns will be created. Understand? Now next tag is td tag. td means table data, means actual content in the cell. td creates each individual cell. td creates each individual cells, means it is used to display the actual content. By default, the text in this cell is aligned left and centered vertically. If you want to change the align center, then align attribute is used, left, right, center, but by default left will be displayed. Now see the example. Again here, table tag means table border is equal to 2. You can give here 2, 3, 4, 10 like this, whatever you want, thickness of that border line. Then first row will be created. For table row, tr tag is used. Then write here tr. Then actual contents, to display the actual contents, that is use td tag. Then td Sunday end of slash td. Next data is td Monday end of slash td. Then end of row, that is slash tr, and end of table, that is slash table. What is the output? See here, only one row will be created. Now next tag is th tag. T means table, h means heading, table heading. It is used to give the table heading. The start tag is th and end tag is slash th. This tag is used to represent individual column heading of a table. This by default it will be displayed in bold and centered. Not necessary here give the b tag or alignment tag, because if th tag is used, that contains that actual data is displayed with bold and centered. Now see the example. Table tag table border is equal to 3. Then first row will be created, that is tr tag is used. Then under tr tag, here table heading tag is used. See, th means table heading. Then roll number. What is the heading? First is roll number. Then here mistake will be, instead of tr write here th. Next line also, instead of slash tr write a slash th. th roll number slash th. th name slash tr. Then end of slash tr means slash tr. Again one more row will be created. Then here again starting tag is tr means table row. Then under this row, 2 contains td means table data. Then write here 1, then slash td. Then second data will be td atharva slash td. Then end of second row, that is slash tr, and then end of slash table. What is the output? See here, roll number in first row. What will be display? Roll number and name. These are the table heading, so it will be displayed in bold and center. And next line will be display 1 and atharva roll number. See, these are the table heading. This is the output of this above example. Now next is caption tag. Caption means to give the title for table. Defines the caption from the title of the table. The default position of the title is centered at the top of the table. Means by default, if title is given, by default it will be displayed at the top of the table. If you want to title will be displayed bottom of the table, then give alignment for bottom. In this caption only two attributes is used, top and bottom, but top is by default, bottom will be given. It requires starting tag is caption and ending tag is slash caption. See the example. Table border is equal to 3. Then caption. Under table border, write caption. Not write the before table border, because caption will be given that table. So always remember, caption tag is always write under table tag. tr, td, th, caption. This tag is always write under table tag, because this tag is related to the table tag. Then write here caption, result sheet, end of caption means slash caption. Here first row will be created, that is tr tag is used. Then under first row two table data will be displayed. First data is Sunday, then td Sunday slash td. Next line td Monday slash td. TD means table data, that is actual contents in the cell. Then end of row, that is slash tr, and then end of table. What is the output? See the output. See here, only one row here created, then only one row will be displayed, and that row table data actual contents is Sunday and Monday. So here Sunday and Monday is the actual data and only one row will be created. And see above this table result sheet is the caption will be displayed. Now next, attributes of table tag, th tag, tr tag, td tag. You can use these attribute anywhere, whatever you want. Suppose th, td, tr and table. See one by one. First attribute is border. Border attribute is to create a or used to give a border to the table. If you don't mention the border attribute, then by default we won't able to see any border to the table. Then if you want to give the border to the table, then using border attribute. Border attribute, it indicates in above example already we will see table border is equal to 2. 2 means thickness of that border line and it will be displayed in pixel. By default table has no border. See the example. Table border is equal to 2 like this. Next attribute is bg color. Already this attribute will be seen in body tag. Body bg color is equal to, if in body will be given bg color, then all whole page will be display that color. But in table tag, if bg color is used, then it will be display background color only for table, only that selected cells or row, column, whatever you want. Then bg color means background color. To give the background color to the table, you can also use this bg color for tr. Suppose you want to only one row in color, then tr bg color is equal to whatever, pink, red, like this. See here, to give the background color to the table, for example, table border is equal to 4, bg color is equal to yellow, means table will be displayed with yellow color like this. For example, once just write here, see in this table background color is yellow. Now next attribute is align. Align means left, right, center, like this. Specifies the horizontal placement of the table. By default table will be display left side. Then if you want the table display at center, then table align is equal to center. Suppose you want to table display at right side, then table align is equal to right, like this. Now next is very important, this cell padding and cell spacing. First is see the cell padding. What is the cell padding? Cell padding attribute is used for increase the space between cell data and cell border, that is increase the height of the table using this cell padding attribute. See how. See here, by default size space is 1, means decide the amount of spacing between each cell border and actual content of cell. For example, table, see here, cell padding is equal to 3, border is equal to 5. By mistake here 2 times equal to will be display, only one type will display equal to. You can write also this one table border is equal to 5, then space cell padding is equal to 3. Cell padding means distance between cell data and cell border. See, this is only one cell. In this cell, SSVM is the actual data. This is the cell and this is the actual data, and this distance between these border, cell border and actual data, it is called as cell padding. Next is cell spacing. Cell spacing attribute is basically used to give the space between two cells. See the example. In this creates the space between the two cells or cells. See the example. In this example, two columns and one row, but all cells are separated, that is each other gap between two cells. If you want to display table like this, then cell spacing attribute is used. Cell spacing attribute is used to space between two neighboring cells. See the example, table border is equal to 4. Space cell spacing is equal to, write in double quotes, always remember, 10. See, these are the two cells separated by some space. These are the border of the table. See, this is the table border. These are the two cells, and in these two cells gap, this gap is called as cell spacing. Understand? Cell spacing is used to space between two neighboring cells. Space between two cells, it is called as cell spacing. And cell padding means distance between cell actual content and cell border, it is called as cell padding. Now next tag is border color. If you want to, by default border color is, table border color is black. Suppose you want to display color in any other color, red, blue, green, like this, then use border color attribute. Give the color to the border. See, like this, table border is equal to 4 and border color is equal to blue. Then table border display with blue color. Next is call span. This is also very important attribute, call span. Call span means number of columns that a cell span. Means if you want to columns divided into 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, then use call span attribute. See the example. TD call span is equal to 2. Angle bracket is complete. TD means table data, that is the actual data. Name is the data, then end of slash TD. How many column? This name is divided into how many columns? 2 columns. So here write call span is equal to 2. What is the output? See here. Name is the cell, main attribute means main data, and that name is divided into 2 columns, because here write call span is equal to 2, then below name means next line divided into 2 columns. Suppose you want to write here call span is equal to 3, then name is divided into 3 columns. If write into 5, then name is divided into 5 columns, like this. These are the cells. Now next is row span. Row span is also important attribute, because in this attribute call span or row span, compulsory one program will be asked in board exam. So row span means number of rows that a cell spans. You want to rows divided into 2, 3, 4 like this, then row span is used. See example, TD row span is equal to 2. Here also same. Above example, in this above example call span is used but in this example instead of call span row span is used. Row means divided into two rows. For name, see the output. Name, then name is divided into two rows. Understand? Call span means divide the columns 2, 3, 4 like this. Row span means divide the rows 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Then at that time you can use call span, row span. Next is and last V align attribute. In this V align, V means vertical alignment. Vertical means top, middle, bottom. Only this attribute is used for this V alignment. You know already alignment, ALIGN. Align is equal to left, right, center. These are the alignment. But V alignment is different, means vertically alignment. Vertical alignment of row or column. See the example. TR. Suppose here give the alignment for table row. V align is equal to center. You can use also center. And suppose one more example, TD. Here TD is used table data. Align is equal to right. Right is also used. Center, right, left, top, middle, bottom. These are the attributes for V alignment. And last is width. Width means specifies the width of the table. You want to increase the width, then how to write it? Table width is equal to 50. Just write down in double quotes, means that table width display increase with pixel value. Suppose you want to write like this, table width is equal to in double quotes 50%. Percent sign will be given, then that table will be increased with percentage value. You can write any one of them. This is the width of the table. Note, see the note. Above all attributes are used for table, TR and TH and TD. Table means to create the table. TR means to create the table row. TH means to create the table heading. And TD means to create the table data. These attributes is used one of these table, TR, TH, TD. Anywhere you can use. See, up till now 3 assignments are given, only 4 students are completed. What about other students? So you should be completed these assignments and send me. I keep the records of all students. Okay. And one more thing is, every student compulsory subscribe the my YouTube channel, because any new video will be uploaded, that indication will be given. So all students subscribe the my YouTube channel. Thank you.